my God, what's happening? Whoa, stop! Slow down! Get out! Oh no! Please call the rescue team now.
Hello, this is the rescue team. How can we help?
Hello, rescue team. Please send help immediately. Let's go.
Get in! Get in!
We need to move fast. Quickly, over there. Please help him. He is so tired. Oh my God. Pressure on it. Don't let it get away. Keep spraying. Oh my God, it's spitting the cow out. Grab the net. Slowly, slowly.
Let's go, quickly! She's okay. Oh, look, they found each other. Excellent work, everyone.
Thank you all for your help.